Hi, I'm Evan Forrest, Global Industrial Partner Manager at Nokia, and we're very excited to be a part of the Rockwell Automation Technology Partner Program. Nokia and Rockwell are partnering to enable private LTE 5G connected automation solutions to address manufacturing challenges and accelerate the move to a connected enterprise. Nokia's industrial-grade private 5G solutions are as robust and capable as Ethernet, digitally connecting all your critical operations in real time wirelessly. Nokia and Rockwell validated architecture will help enterprises augment existing and new automation systems to provide the necessary scale of connectivity towards the acceleration of digital transformation programs. Nokia and Rockwell support a variety of process and discrete industries such as oil and gas, chemical, steel, and automotive, among many others, with key use cases in reliable, ubiquitous, secure wireless connectivity.